Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add team members in Buffer in 2026. If you work with a team and want to manage your social media accounts together, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're using a workspace that supports team collaboration. Depending on your Buffer plan, team features may vary. Next, click on your workspace or profile icon and open the Settings section. From there, look for the Team, Members, or Manage Team option and click on it. Now you'll see a list of your current team members if you've already invited anyone. To add a new member, click the Invite Member or Add Team Member button. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check the email to make sure it's correct before continuing. Now choose the appropriate role or permission level for the new member. For example, you may allow them to create posts, schedule content, review drafts, or manage social media channels. Select the role that best matches their responsibilities. Next, click the Send Invitation button. Buffer will send an invitation email to the address you entered. Now ask your teammate to open the email and accept the invitation. Once they accept, they'll automatically be added to your Buffer workspace. Finally, return to the Team section to confirm that the new member appears in your team list. You can edit their permissions or remove them later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add team members in Buffer step by step. Your team can now collaborate, manage content together, and keep your social media workflow organized and efficient. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.